Guys, this is what I call a historic interview because very seldom, I don't know if it's ever happened before, maybe it has, I don't know about it, has a television program, which is also now a web series, a major web series, completed 1,000 episodes. It's more than a marathon because marathon runners between marathons get to take a little bit of a break to soothe their muscles and their nerves. But here they are at it all the time, and it's really a great achievement by the cast, the crew, everybody. Also because the show is so beautiful that year upon year they've managed to catch our attention, our fancy. I'm talking about Wagle ki Duniya, Nayi Peedhi, Naye Kisse. In February of 2021, the really most loved R.K. Narayan series was relaunched on Sony Sub. These are characters created by R.K. Laxman, the noted cartoonist. And what the cast has done is built a whole new generation of followers of this wonderful, wonderful series. I'm very happy to welcome Pariva Pranati. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
And my friend Sumit Raghavan. How are you?
I'm absolutely great.
I want to start with the feeling. Has this happened in your career before? 1,000 episodes? Either of you?
1,000? No. No. We fell short by 300 episodes.
Which one was that?
That was Badi Dur Se Aaye,
Badi
the
Dur Se
previous
Aaye.
one.
Lovely.
We did around 700.
What about you?
Not 1,000.
So this is historic for you as your personal
the entire
career
cast,
also.
I think, including
Lovely,
the production house, I
Yeah.
think.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. And are there days where there is some kind of fatigue, or is it just so beautiful that you're able to bounce back very, very quickly?
Thing is that fatigue, yes, the travel. Traveling to Mira Road.
But the house is so beautiful. You know, the
The vibe of
Wagle's
the
house.
set is
Yeah.
beautiful. We would agree with it because हम actually उसको मंदिर बुलाते हैं because every day we actually love going and meeting everybody there. So it's actually got the temple vibe, the studio where we shoot.
And 100 of us, the unit, the main thing is, Hrishi, why we have gelled so well. Because this show started post-COVID,
Correct.
21, and then another wave came up. So we went into Wagle. We shot, we were in a resort for 60 days in Silvassa, around 70, 80 of us, and that's where we bonded. So I think something like that needs to happen. So it's not a run of a mill job. We really, as Pariva said, we look forward. We know everybody's birthdays. We celebrate everybody's birthdays. We know everybody by name. People have gotten married on the sets. People have become fathers and mothers.
It's actually like a celebration every day. So there are scenes when we don't have our neighbors shooting with us, and actually when we get to know that everybody, the entire cast is there. So it is like a celebration happening on set. Like everybody's looking forward to meeting the other persons.
And they're truly wonderful episodic stories. You know, I saw one in which Mrs. Wagle is dealing with chemotherapy. I saw one in which she stands up for herself for running a small little business in front of the building society.
Yeah.
And there's such wonderful slice of life stories because I remember having a similar conversation in my building society where there were 8 people badgering somebody for doing threading at home, a threading business at home.
Oh, okay.
And I wish I'd known all these statistics that Mrs. Wagle rattles off saying you can have 3 members. Beyond that, if they're assisting you, it's a problem. And you talk about Mahila Vikas and things like that. And if a woman is not able to do a basic business like threading or waxing or making food or dabbas from the house,
Yeah.
it's such a problem. So I think even for you people, there must have been so many learnings from this show.
Absolutely. Yeah. So as a parent also, we have been dealing with a lot of issues that the kids face in the show, and that's the kind of response also that we keep getting. In fact, that Bharti Mashi was saying, there are foreign NRIs who keep coming to our set, and they say कि हमारे बच्चे they are learning Hindi to watch your show.
Yeah.
Because they
Beautiful.
love the vibe of your show, and it's such a family. So the one student messaged me recently. She said, "I'm staying alone in US, and you guys have become my family."
But honestly, both of you would agree with me that there is, they say the golden era of television. When there was Kundan Shah,
True.
there were
Sippy.
Ramesh Sippy, all these people making shows for
Yeah,
TV,
yeah.
from Ye Jo Hai Zindagi to Rajini to this. in a lot of ways, that golden era is back on OTT because there are a lot of shows on OTT. Like Gullak, for example, like
yeah.
Panchayat, for example,
Yeah.
which bring back that, and Wagle ki Duniya,
Exactly.
which have brought back that particular flavor.
Exactly.
You know, and life comes full circle because obviously society goes through a huge phase like they did with the Salim Javed movies, where there was an anti-establishment hero. Then we got obsessed with crime and violence for a while, which is what I call the Ram Gopal Verma era. And now I think, Sumit, you'd agree with me that there is different strokes for different folks. You know,
Absolutely.
there is enough content for everybody who wants to consume a particular type of
Absolutely.
content.
But I still feel that family dramas still work.
Of course they do, yeah.
Murder, mystery, and all these things, action is hey, they have their audience. But when it comes to wholesome entertainment, you look up to family entertainers.
You know, when an actor is a part of a long running show like this, a series which is 1,000 episodes plus, he or she becomes very invested in the story.
Yeah.
Sometimes when you receive the script, do you turn around to the writer and say, maybe Vandana Wagle should say this?
No, we keep doing that.
As opposed to that, very good, yeah, very good.
So because we have multiple writers in the team.
Ah, so it's a writing room.
Yeah.
So writer B might not
Yeah, they
know
don't
the
know
show as well as writer A.
Exactly.
And they
JD
depend on you
Exactly.
for
So
that.
JD sir heads that area. And in our show, one thing that we can talk about is till date, JD sir gives a narration of every new episode. Yeah.
JD the producer.
Wow. I know, everybody knows JD Majithia, guys.
Yeah.
The iconic producer. He's done so many wonderful comedies.
He's equally invested till date in the show. Every morning we'll have like a 9 o'clock Zoom call पे meeting होने वाली है. JD sir narration देंगे, नया episode आया है.
Pariva herself has written 3-4 episodes.
Yeah.
6 stories, yeah.
Six episodes, huh?
He's basically told all of us to get stories.
Why not? Yeah.
Because that's how he said कि we'll maintain the sanctity of the show and we'll stay to the roots rightfully. So basically what happened was everybody was getting in stories. Even the kids, Sakhi Atharva, who play our kids, they've gotten stories. And there's Jayesh Patil, who's the head of the writing department. Then there are like about 12 writers. So they kind of miss at times, like he's got this confused state of mind where he keeps getting his, he keeps saying, choose a finger.
That's a trait which Raj, and he hyperventilates. He
hyperventilates. So a lot of writers didn't know about it. So then we'll call JD, sir, is story mein, I think Rajesh should have a hyperventilation. He's like, haan, acha hai, I missed it. Good that you missed it. So we work like that, in the shows. So it's kind of like a teamwork.
I'm surprised you haven't written any episodes.
No, I haven't written.
He's the narration.
But why?
वो होते हैं ना राजन, तो इनको हम नरेशन बोलते हैं. तो जब स्टोरी लिखते हैं
शिवाजी गणेशन थे वैसे सुमित नरेशन है.
So when we write a story, so we're like, okay, now we need to get the story approved in one go. So narration will narrate the story. So he then becomes every character and narrates.
Which is fantastic because again he was talking about parents and culture and this and that. We South Indians claim Sumit Raghavan as our own, and all the Marathi Manas also claim Sumit Raghavan as
Yeah,
our own.
he
ये ना यहाँ का है ना वहाँ का है.
Bihari is also that. So I'm a Bihari, and then he'll claim I've written books in Bihar. आपकी फोटो लगी है बिहार में.
बिहार में, correct. और अब तो लगनी भी चाहिए. Considering how the political times.
Yeah, absolutely.
What fun. It's not an easy job to make children act, but I get the feeling that Gen Z are much smarter.
Very smart.
And it's like a piece of cake to them. So,
Except for the attention span.
Attention span, yeah, attention, yeah, obviously.
You need to shake them. Shake them.
So they take him very seriously. I'm like the friend. So I'm like, bro, chalo na. So, but if he's saying something, then they'll be like, okay. If he's saying, then it's a serious thing. So especially Shihan, who plays Atharva, he's a brat.
But he's
but he picks up like.
I mean, I've, as you rightly said, and myself, I started off as a child actor, so I compare myself with these kids. They're so fast on the uptake. They know everything. They might be in the mobile. वो यहाँ से समीर बोल रहा है. तो शिहान ध्यान दे. हाँ ध्यान है मेरा.
हाँ मैं सुन रहा हूँ.
हाँ सुन रहा. Okay. हाँ. And then
अच्छा वो इंस्टा स्क्रॉल मारते
हाँ. और वो हमारे सेट
तो वो
में 3
देखते
बच्चे हैं. So तीनों में से I think Kittu is the only one who is dedicated, but Atharva and Vidyu they are two friends.
Action पे वो जो शुरू करता है वो क्या रे यार तो अभी
Pick कर लिया था. मतलब he heard every instruction. That's what is amazing. And plus a lot of scenes which can be a little difficult, like there are hidden nuances in the writing.
But they're great actors, both of them. I mean, they're so natural, wonderful.
So he's like the teacher we all go to.
He's the
If
workshop
there's-
man.
if there's some confusion with any dialogues, how to take them, or we are feeling ki kya likha hai, it's loud for us. Then we go to him because he carries off anything so smoothly. Like, okay, how do we take this line? Like, okay, take it like this now. Yeah, this is that simple. So it's very nice to have him around. And then even the director, a lot of times we're like, 3 बार मैं same line बोल रही हूँ, तो तीनों बार अलग तरीके से बोल. And we're like, हाँ, क्यों नहीं कर सकते? So
The kids are.
Sakhi is there. So Sakhi is also another person who's really hardworking.
The who plays our daughter.
Yeah.
Chinmayi Salvi. So she's super. All of them are like. Now it's become like.
Is the first show. Shihan's
And are they in school in real life or are they in
Shihan
college?
is
Shihan is in school. Sakhi she's in college.
Yeah, because it is tough for kids at the end of the day. If they're doing school, they have to come in the second half, attend school,
He runs.
their regular exams.
He has
his exams, he
but
has
he's a good
tuitions.
student. That's what's amazing, that he manages his studies.
Yeah, he
quite
manages
well.
everything. It's terrific.
Any conversation about Wagle ki Duniya is incomplete without R.K. Laxman ji and those cartoons. The fact that the common man was represented for decades and decades in the times of India and became such an unbelievable part of our lives. Even if you were not interested in politics and only sports, you didn't see the front page, you went straight to the sports page or the entertainment page, you'd always glance at the cartoon.
You said it.
So talk to me about that. If you have any early memories of watching that.
Think, I have the memories of the cartoons because newspaper has been a must in my house. So yes.
I think the way a big news used to be, portrayed in like few words, few lines, with some background sketches, and a common man just listening. It made it was amazing. It was absolutely
Genius,
brilliant.
yeah, it was-
Genius.
And for somebody to put that out day after day, week after week, you know how difficult it is because you're doing a daily show.
Absolutely.
And I love the texture that, he had slight hair here, was bald,
The checkered
thing, it was such an Aam Aadmi thing. And you knew it will be topical. You knew that during budget time it will talk about budget, during Diwali it will talk about Diwali. Suppose if India won the World Cup, flooding,
Flooding mein abhi khadde vadde.
So my question now is, how topical do you guys get? Do you keep it generic, or suppose something is happening in society? Like, for example, the election or India and the T20 World Cup. How much room? Are you shooting very much in advance, or are you shooting close enough for you to make it
No, what
relevant?
we do is we have a bank.
We have a bank, but
do a bank.
we can fit in an episode.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
if we find something important coming, then we
like
tweak.
elections we did.
Because the fans would love that, no?
We
If you-
emphasized on the voting thing, that every vote matters.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
that
So please
did.
go and
We
vote.
did on animal rights. Because everybody is talking, we both are into animal rescues and stuff, so we spoke about that, and we do pick up topics that are happening.
That is important, yeah. That is
current
Wagle ki
scenario,
Duniya.
yeah.
That is Wagle ki Duniya. We talk about corruption, we talk about mehengai, we talk about all
Everything,
the things.
college issues.
And I guess that's why it is relatable.
Guys, it's Wagle ki Duniya, Nayi Peedhi Naye Kisse. Please watch it on Sony Sub. Failing which, watch it on Sony Live, the app. Please give this show that stars Sumit and Pariva Prananthi and the rest of the cast, including the original Anjan Srivastav and Bharati Achrekar, a lot of love. Thank you guys for coming.
Thank
Thank you
you
very
so
much.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
94.3 Radio 1.